Tired of a cluttered computer and worried about losing your important files? In just a few steps, I'll show you how to seamlessly transfer your precious data from your computer to an external hard drive for safekeeping and effortless storage management. First things first, let's connect your external hard drive. Locate the USB cable that came with it on one end. You'll have a USB-A or USB-C connector, depending on your drive. Plug that into your computer's USB port, then connect the other end of the cable to your external drive. Be sure the connections are firm, because you don't want to interrupt the file transfer. Once plugged in, your computer should recognize it. Automatically open this PC or File Explorer. You should see your external drive listed alongside your internal drives. If you don't see it, double-check the cable connections and ensure the drive is powered on and ready to go. Now for the fun part, choosing your files. You can transfer entire folders or individual files. To select multiple files or folders that aren't next to each other, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking each file or folder you want. If the files are next to each other, click on the first file, hold down the Shift key, and click on the last file. The easiest method is the drag and drop technique. Click and hold down on your selected files or folders, drag them over the drive icon for your external hard drive. Release the mouse button to begin the transfer. You'll now see a progress bar showing the transfer status. This tells you how many files are transferring, the overall progress, and how long the transfer will take. Once the transfer is complete, double-check that your files are present on your external hard drive by navigating to it and reviewing the contents. Remember to safely eject your external drive by right-clicking on the drive icon and click Eject before disconnecting it to prevent data corruption. And that's it. You now have a safe and streamlined way to store your important files. Regular backups like this ensure your data's safety. Congratulations!